Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Prajwal. Sorry, Prajwal. I
Yeah,
forgot.
it's fine. It's fine, sir.
Okay. Then yesterday problem complete, Prajwal.
No, sir. I forgot to do it.
Then how to do?
Sir, I forgot to do it.
You forgot.
Yeah.
Okay. Now do. See, yesterday. Now here in any triangle ABC, third one, right? 2 cos B is equal to A by B, A by C. 2 cos, then Prajwal. Oh, Himanshu also present. Hi, Himanshu.
Hello, sir.
Himanshu,
Yes, sir.
how are you?
I'm fine, sir. How
Okay.
about you?
Huh?
How are you, sir?
Okay, okay. Then properties of triangles.
So you just started it.
Yesterday, sine rule and cosine rule complete. You know sine rule?
So is it that A by sine alpha
Yes,
is
yes.
equal to B by
Sine
sine?
rule. Sine rule is A by sine A, B by sine B, C by sine C. Then cos rule.
Cos rule, I don't know.
Huh? In any triangle ABC, cos A is equal to B square plus C square minus A square upon 2BC. Cos B is equal to C square plus A square minus B square upon 2CA. Then cos C is equal to A square plus B square minus C square upon 2AB, right? Already yesterday proofs also done.
Just a minute, sir. I'll note it down.
Note.
Quickly.
Then do this problem do. Finish, huh? Okay. Prajwal, here cos
Yes,
B
sir.
formula apply here. Then Himanshu.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then next tangent rule. Huh? After that. Mixed problems. Tangent after that projection. Sine, cos, tan, projection. These four concepts doing problems. After that. Tangent rule. Now in any triangle, ABC, tan b minus c upon 2 is equal to b minus c upon b plus c into cot a by 2. Second one, tan c minus a upon 2 is equal to c minus a upon c plus a into cot b by 2. Third one, tan a minus b upon 2 is equal to a minus b upon a. Which one? Which? Oh. Correct, Risha. Cot c by 2. One proof I will explain.
Sir, have offline classes started?
Already 5 members came.
Oh, okay.
And Risha, Ananya Mishra, the great Bhargav, and your name? Huh? Rupam, you know? Himanshu?
Yeah, I know him really well, sir.
Rupam, okay. Then Shirish. 5 members came. Then you also come. Himanshu?
Yes, sir, I'll try someday.
Okay, done?
Yes, sir.
By applying sine rule, a by sine a is equal to b by sine b is equal to c by sine c is equal to, let us take k or lambda. We say that. Then a by sine a is equal to k. Then a is equal to k sine a. Okay. Then here RHS take, LHS prove it. Wait. Okay, Prajwal, done. Prajwal?
Yes, sir. I wrote it.
Okay. Then a by sine a is equal to k. That implies a is equal to k sine a. Then similarly write b, k sine b. C is equal to k sine c. Okay. Then first one, RHS take. RHS is equal to b minus c upon b plus c into cot a by 2. Cot a by 2. Now here b substituting here. B and c. Okay. Now k sine b minus k sine c upon k sine b minus plus k sine c into cot a by 2. Then k common, numerator, and denominator also k common. K get cancelled. Then sine b minus sine c. What is the formula? Transformations. Sine b minus sine c is equal to 2 cos b plus c by 2 sine b minus c by 2. Yes, correct? Then, okay. Then sine b plus sine c is equal to 2 sine b plus c by 2 cos b minus c by 2. Yes, correct, Himanshu?
Yes,
Now
sir.
here apply. K get common numerator and denominator K get cancel. Then apply here. Do. Angle formula. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180. Then angle A by 2 plus B by 2 plus C by 2 is equal to 180 by 2, right? Now, A plus B by 2 is equal to 180 by 90, right? 90 minus C by 2, right? Then cos apply here both sides. Prajwal, complete Prajwal?
Yes, I can go on.
Okay. Here cos apply. Hmm. Oh, okay. B plus C by 2, right? Okay. Nice. Okay, then here angle B plus C by 2 is equal to 180 by 2 minus A by 2, right? Okay, then B plus C by 2 is equal to 90 minus A by 2. Then cos apply. Cos of B plus C by 2 is equal to cos of 90 minus A by 2. 90 minus A by 2. Cos apply. Now here cos B plus C by 2 is equal to cos 90 minus theta. Cos 90 minus theta?
Sin theta.
Sin theta. Sin A by 2. Okay, Ananya. Then same thing, right? Sin B by 2. Sin B plus C by 2. Sin B plus C by 2 is equal to
Cos A by 2.
cos C. Cos A by 2.
A by 2.
Cos A by 2. Correct, Himanshu. Cos A by 2. Now here apply. Here sin B minus C by 2, cos B minus C by 2 is equal to tan B minus C by 2. Here 2 get cancelled. Now sin A by 2 upon cos A by 2 into sin B minus C by 2 cos B minus C by 2 tan B minus C by 2. Okay. Then here sin A by 2 by cos A by 2. Now tan A by 2. Tan A by 2 into tan B minus C by 2. Oh, here one. Here cot A by 2 is there. Here cot A by 2. Now here cot A by 2. Then here cot A by 2. Then cot A by 2, tan A by 2 get cancelled. Cot A by 2 reciprocal 1 by tan A by 2. Tan A by 2, tan A by 2 get cancelled. Then remaining tan B minus C by 2, right? Then after that, tan B minus C by 2 is equal to LHS. RHS is equal to LHS. Hence proved. Then remaining you have to do. Huh? Similarly, you can write tan C minus A by 2, tan A minus B by 2. Understood, Himanshu, Prajwal?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Correct. Right. What happened, Shirish? Not understanding? Huh. Cot A by 2 here. Done. Next, projection formula. After that. I think next Wednesday. Next week.
So what's next week?
Next week, Wednesday, complete this chapter. And tomorrow, Monday, Wednesday. Then Thursday exam. Thursday or Friday. Competitive exam. Only this chapter.
So will that be online or offline?
Okay. Take rest. Okay, done? Next, projection formula. Projection formula. Competitive. Objective only. Total objective. Case set and mains. Subjective only 30%. 70% competitive.
So the test you're talking about, will it be online or offline?
Offline students also is came, Prajwal. 5 students came.
Okay, sir, but the test, will that be off?
Test is
Yeah.
online only, I think. Online only.
Yeah, MCQs, right? Okay.
MCQs.
Thank you, sir.
In any triangle ABC, in any triangle ABC, A is equal to B cos C plus C cos B. B cos C plus C cos B. B is equal to C cos A plus A cos C. C is equal to A cos A cos B plus B cos A. Then how to do? A is equal to Hmm. Hmm. Huh. Then how to do, Himanshu? Proof.
Sir, we can take triangle B. So can you please
In triangle ABC, A is equal to BD plus DC, right? In
Yes,
triangle
sir, that's right.
ABC, BD plus,
DC.
simple. Then otherwise this one causes, that is lengthy process. Okay. See here, in any triangle, in triangle ABC, then A is equal to BD plus DC. BD plus DC. BD means here C cos B, right? C cos B plus DC. DC B cos C.
B.
B cos C. Okay. Then here A is equal to B cos C plus C cos B. Then similarly you can write remaining two. Similarly you can write B is equal to C cos A plus A cos C. Then C is equal to A cos B plus B cos A. B cos C plus C cos B. Then problems based on sine rule, cos rule, tan rule, and projection formula. These four concepts based on problems. Okay. Okay, understood, Himanshu. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Rajul. Okay. Complete.
Yes, sir.
Ah. First problem. In any triangle ABC, value of B square minus C square into cot A plus C square minus A square into cot B plus A square minus B square into cot C. Option A, all mains problems. Mains. -1, 0, 2. Huh? Do, do first do. Tell me, Manshu, answer tell. Here, b square minus c square, right? Here, b means b is equal to k sin b, right? B is a is equal to k sin a. B is equal to k sin b. C is equal to k sin c, right? Now here b square, k square sin square b minus k square sin square c. Same thing, right? Here also. Here also same, right? Okay. Then apply. Sin square a minus sin square b is equal to sin a plus b into sin a minus b. Sine rule. Oh, based on here, BC is given, no? You can do this? So many problems apply sine rule only. Tell me answer, Himanshu. Then k square common. K square common.
So we can take k square common and multiply the numerator and denominator with 2.
Oh, why?
So to
Why,
use the
Himanshu?
identity,
No.
2 sine A
Directly
sine
k common. After that, direct formula apply. Then angle A plus angle B, angle C is equal to 180. Then A plus B is equal to 180 minus C. Then sin A plus B. Sin B plus C, sorry. B plus C find. Sin B plus C is equal to sin 180 minus theta, sin theta. Right, Himanshu?
Oh, okay, sir.
Then easy only. No? Then sin B minus C, sin C minus A, sin A minus B, then all get cancelled. Then equal to
1.
Okay, Shirish, here option C is the right option. How? All are get cancelled only. Sin B minus C, first one. Sin C minus A, sin A minus B. Here sin B plus C is equal to sin A na, sin C. Oh. Correct. Sin A. Here sin A. Here sin A. Correct. Cot A into cot A. Cot A means cos A by sin A. Sin A get cancelled. Then remaining
So
cos
cos
A,
A, right?
cos A. Cos A. Then here cos B. Then here cos C.
So, but you're at sin A.
Oh, no. I'm not writing fully. Cos A minus sin A. Right? Here get cancelled. Then cos A, right? Then same thing here. Sin C minus A plus sin C minus A into cos B. Cos B. Okay. Then next plus. K square here, right? Okay. Whole thing K square common. Next sin A minus B into cot C. Cot C, cos C upon cos C, right? Understood? Clearly I'm writing. Directly I'm writing here. Before step is sin B minus C into sin B plus C into cot A plus sin C minus A into sin C plus A into cot B plus sin A minus B into sin A plus B into cot C. Then here angle A plus B plus C is equal to 180. Then B plus C is equal to 180 minus A. Then both sides sin apply. Sin B plus C is equal to sin 180 minus A. Then 180 minus theta, second quadrant, positive only, sin theta is equal to sin A. Sin B plus C is equal to sin A. Then here sin B plus C is equal to sin A. Then cot A is equal to cos A by sin A. Then here sin C plus C, same thing, right? Sin C plus C, here C plus C plus A, right? C plus A. Here sin B. Sin B get cancelled, then cos B, right? Okay. Then cos sin B get cancelled. Then same thing right here. Here sin C into cos C upon sin C. Then sin C get cancelled. Then final step, right? Sin B minus C into cos A plus sin C minus C into cos B, sin A minus B into cos C. Then after that, sin B minus A. What is that? B minus C. A minus B form. Sin A cos B minus cos A sin
Cos A
B.
sin
Formula
B.
apply. Himanshu?
Nothing, sir.
Oh. Okay, understood. Here cos A into sin B minus C, sin B cos C minus cos C cos B, right? Sin B cos C, cos B sin C. Same thing right here plus cos B into same formula apply here. Okay. Then after that cos A multiply. Cos A multiply. Here cos B multiply. Here cos C multiply. Then all are get cancelled. Then K square is equal to K square into 0 is equal to 0. Do. Understood, Himanshu, Prajwal?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next problem. Next problem. In triangle ABC, if A is equal to 13, B is equal to 8, and C is equal to 7, then sin A is equal to option A minus root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2, 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2. Thinking Ananya. Then how to do? Tell Bhargav. Huh? Correct. Guessing. Correct? Guessing. Himanshu done. Himanshu?
Sir, I am still doing it.
Okay, okay. Then cos A is equal to B square
B
plus C
plus
square minus A square upon 2BC. Here substitute. Sin A, first quadrant and second quadrant is positive, right? Then 0 to pi by 2 to pi. Sin and cosec is positive second quadrant. First quadrant is all are positive. Then here sin A find. First cos A find. Then here substituting 8 square. 64 plus 49 minus that 169 upon 2 into 8, 16. 16 into C,
so
7.
1 by 2 is the answer
Huh?
for cos A. Cos A is 1 by 2.
1 by 2 or minus 1 by 2. Check it.
So cos A is 1 by 2.
Cos A is 1 by 2. Check it once.
Yes, so minus 1 by 2. My bad.
Cos A is equal to minus 1 by 2. Then take right angle.
So sin A is equal to root 3 by 2.
Hmm?
Answer is B, right?
Yes, yes. Huh? Then sin A. Obviously root 3 by 2. Cos A is fourth quadrant is positive. Second quadrant is negative. First quadrant is positive. In triangle ABC, value of B plus C into cos A plus C plus A into cos B plus A plus B into cos C. Here option A, 2 into A plus B plus C, B minus of A plus B plus C, C, A plus B plus C, option D, 0. Hmm? Tan rule, sine rule. Hurry, first observe problem. See what is given here. B plus C is equal to into cos A, right? Then cos A multiply. Multiply. Tell him, Anshu.
So we can first multiply, then we can take A common, then after that we will get cos A plus cos B plus C into cos A plus cos C, yeah, plus B into cos A plus cos C.
Yes,
After that we
projection
can use the
formula apply.
transformation. Yeah.
Correct,
Yes,
no?
yes, sir.
Cos rule, sine rule, tan rule. Here clearly see B plus C into cos A multiply. B cos A into C cos A. Huh?
So answer is C, right?
C, answer is C. Here C cos B plus A cos B plus A cos C plus B cos C. Direct. A plus B plus. Case it. Next, fourth one. Value of 2 into B cos square C by 2 plus C cos square A by 2. Okay, B by 2. Options, you can CET. AB plus BC plus CA. A plus B plus C. 0. Projection, but how to do before? Option C is the right option. Here cos square C by 2. What is the formula? See here, listen. 1 plus cos 2A is equal to 2 cos square A. 1 plus cos A is equal to 2 cos square A by 2. Okay. Then same thing, right? 1 plus cos C. 1 plus cos c is equal to 2 cos square a by 2, right? Then same thing here, cos square c by 2. Okay, here c. Here 1 plus cos c upon 2 is equal to cos square c by 2. Then same thing here, cos square b by 2. Cos square b by 2, 1 plus cos b upon 2. Okay, cos square b by 2 is equal to 1 plus cos b upon 2. Then substituting, then projection formula apply. B plus c plus a. Correct, no? Himanshu,
Yes, sir, I got it.
okay. Prajwal,
Done, sir. You can
okay,
move on.
okay. Done. Option A is 0, na? Okay, here 1. Next. In triangle ABC, A is to B is to C is equal to 4 is to 5 is to 6. Then 3A plus B is equal to 4C B 2 pi pi minus C pi. Do mains problem. Sine rule or cos rule? Cos rule apply.
How are we supposed to identify which rule to use?
Here ratio is given, Himanshu.
Yes, sir.
A by 4 is equal to B by 4, B by 5 is equal to C by 6 is equal to K. We say that. Okay. Then A is equal to 4K, right? Then B is equal to 5K. C is
Then
equal
we-
to
Is equal to
6K.
6K.
Then cos A find. Cos A and cos B find. Then we will get answer. Okay.
No, sir, I was asking why do we need to only use cos rule? Like, how do we know that we are supposed to use sine rule or cos rule?
So sine rule, how to do sine rule?
I
Himanshu?
don't know. Like, how do we identify which rule? to
Here ABC is given, no?
Yes, sir.
Then A value substituting cos rule only.
Oh, like that.
Like that.
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay, here 3A plus B is given. Here 3A means cos 3A formula apply. Okay, cos 3A is equal to 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos
cos
A.
A.
Okay. Do. Prajwal, understood Prajwal?
So this one.
This one.
Yes, I'm just doing it.
Okay, do. Four cos cube A minus 3 cos A. Wow, sin A. Sin 3A also same. 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A. Then series. Three by 4 cos A.
Cos B is 9 by 16.
Cos A, Himanshu, 3 by 4,
Cos
right?
A is 3 by 4. Cos B is 9 by 16.
Yes, correct, Himanshu. 9 by? Yes, correct. Cos B, 9 by 16. Then cos A, 3 by 4. Huh. Then here substitute. Mistake? Now calculate here. B square 5 square 25 k square plus here 36 k square minus 16 k square. 25 k square plus 36 k square minus 16 k square upon 2 into B 5 into 6 30 into 2 60 60 k square. Then here numerator k square get cancelled. Then we will get 3 by 4, no? (45 by 60). Then after that cos 3A find. Cos 3A is equal to 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. Okay, here 3 by 4 whole cube minus 3 into 3 by 4. Then find cos 3A. Tell answer, Himanshu. Prajwal. Correct. Here cos 3a is equal to minus 9 by 16. Okay. Then cos 3a is equal to minus 9 by 16 cos b minus cos b, right? Now here cos b, cos 180 minus theta, right? Cos 180 minus theta is equal to minus cos theta. Now here cos 3a is equal to minus, see here cos 180 minus b, right? Cos 3a is equal to cos 180 pi minus b, right? Then both sides cos get cancelled. 3a is equal to pi minus b. Then 3a plus b is equal to pi. Which option is right option? Option D is the right option. Okay. Okay, done.
Yes, sir.
In any triangle, ABC, B is equal to root 3, C is equal to 1, B minus C is equal to 90. Then find angle A is equal to 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, 45 degree. C is equal to 1.
So B is equal to root 3.
B is equal to root 3. Root 3. Here B minus C tan rule. No other way. tan formula. Okay. Hmm. 2 plus root 3 what? You forgot trigonometry, right? Cot 15 degree.
What is the answer A?
Yeah. Correct, Manshu. Answer A is understood. Cot A by 2 is equal to cot 15 degree 2 plus root 3. Formulas forgot means what? Trigonometry, very, very important. Identities, trigonometric identities and ratios, compound angles, multiple and submultiple angles, transformations, trigonometric equations. Tan b minus c by 2 is equal to b minus c upon b plus c into cot a by 2. Then b minus c is given 90. 90 upon 2 is equal to 45. Tan 45 is equal to then bc substituting. Root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 plus 1. Then again rationalize, right? Huh. Prajwal, did you complete, Prajwal?
Yes, sir. I'm here. I'm doing. Not
Okay,
that fast.
okay. Here 1 upon 2 minus root 3, then rationalize, then we will get 2 plus root 3. 2 plus root 3 direct formula, cot 15 degree. Remember only, no? All formulas, sin 75 degrees, sin 40, sin 15 degree, cos 15 degree, cos 75 degree. Okay, done. All of you done? In a, if in a triangle, seventh one, right? Triangle ABC, A is equal to 6, B is equal to 3, and cos A minus B is equal to 4 by 5. Then find the angle C.
So we need to use tan rule over here, right?
Hmm?
Tan rule.
No, no, no. Not tan rule. Hmm? Cosine rule.
And then why do we use cosine
Not
rule?
projection. Cos A minus B is given. Cos A minus B is equal to 4 by 5 is given. How tan rule?
Whereas A and B is given.
Huh?
And tan A minus B by 2 is equal to 3 by 9, which is 1 by 3 into cot C by 2.
Hint I will give. Okay. Here, cos 2A is equal to what is the formula?
Cot square A minus sin square A.
Sin square A. One more formula. 2 cos square A minus 1. One more formula. 1 minus 2 sin square A. One more formula. 1 minus tan square A minus upon 1 plus tan square A. Same thing, right? Here cos A, right? Cos A by 2. Okay, Himanshu. Same thing here. Cos A minus B is given. Cos A minus B is equal to 4 upon 5 is given. Now here cos A minus B is equal to 4 upon 5. Now here cos A, cos something. Cos something, 2 cos square something minus 1, right? Simple. Now here 2 cos square A by A minus B by 2 into minus 1 is equal to 4 upon 5. Then simplify. Understood, Himanshu? Prajwal?
Yeah, yes, sir, you can. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Then minus 1 send the side.
So is the answer pi by 2?
Ah, yes, correct. Then do. Why simply sitting? Ananya, thinking. Now cos A minus B by 2, change the angle. Tan A minus B by 2 is equal to, what is that? A minus B upon A plus B into, then last tan rule only. Is equal to, Okay, done. Complete. Himanshu, Prajwal, done.
Yeah, I'm almost there. You can
Sir, I had
run
done it
next.
before only.
Oh, yes, yes. Next. If 1 upon a plus c plus 1 upon b plus c is equal to 3 upon a plus b plus c, then find angle C. Pi by 2, pi by 4, right? Then same. Monday, 7 to 9. Monday. Thursday, no class. Wednesday. Thursday, 5:30 to 7. This month, total competitive classes. Thursday, 5:30 to 7. 1.5 hour competitive total. Then 7th Monday, 7 to 8. Wait, subjective. Okay. Board level. Then 8 to 9 competitive level. Okay. Then Wednesday 7 to 8:30 normal subjective only. This total month March total competitive only. 8:30. Yeah? Oh, okay.
We need to apply sine rule, right?
Sine rule.
Yeah.
Cos rule apply.
Sir, how do we find which rule to apply? I'm not getting that only.
Here take LCM, Himanshu. 1 upon a plus c plus 1 upon b plus c is equal to 3 upon a plus b plus c. Then take LCM.
I did that, sir.
Then cos c, right?
So how can you say it's cos C only? How can you say we are using cos rule only?
After simplification, then we will get tell. Tell, Ananya. 9 by 9 by root 10 or 3 by root 10? Square send the side here, cos square. How without square? Formula apply no, 2 cos square a minus b upon 2. Cot. Cot c by 2 is equal to 9 by root 10. Wrong. Do this one. Done. Himanshu done?
I'm still trying it out. So is it option C?
Option?
C.
Yes, correct, Himanshu. Option C is the right option.
But after knowing which rule to use, the sum becomes easy. Finding out the rule is only difficult.
Difficult.
Yeah. Which rule to use?
Properties of triangles. Full irritating chapter. But interesting chapter. Tell. Which one? Then here. Minus C square is equal to AB. Check it once. A square plus B square minus C square is equal to AB. Is equal to AB. Then cos C is equal to, what is the formula cos C? A square plus B square minus C square upon 2AB. Then here A square plus B square minus C square is equal to AB, right? Then AB substituting. AC upon 2AB, right? AB upon 2AB. Then cos C is equal to 1 by 2. Then 1 by 2 means 30. 30 or 60? 60. 1 by 2. Okay, done. Okay, time is over. Then tomorrow shall continue remaining concepts, half angle formula, area of
More is
triangle, options, area of triangle, half angle formula, then I think 100 plus this chapter. Then now calculate how many? 12. Remaining is there. Total 6, 7, 8. 8 is there.
Did you finish permutations and combinations?
No, not finish, Himanshu.
Conic sections?
After completion of this chapter, permutation, properties of triangles, then next I will start mathematical reasoning. Mathematical reasoning. That is easy chapter, but important chapter. One mains question is coming.
Okay, sir.
Mathematical induction also not complete, right? Mathematical induction also not complete.
So we did
And the
mathematical
complex
induction.
numbers also not complete. Himanshu, complex numbers complete?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Complete,
did.
but only one concept left.
Yes, sir. Geometry is left.
Geometry part. Okay.
Sir, and mathematical induction is over.
Mathematical induction over?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then mathematical reasoning, then complex numbers, one more topic, geometry part complete. Then next week. Huh? Okay. Before sir teaching only R.D. Sharma, na? R.D. Sharma problems. Textbook, CBSE problems. That is CBSE. That is level 1, level 2 problems. Maximum K-set level, I think. Not K-set, 2 level. Okay. Like this way. Okay. Then no problem, no doubt. Once completion of second year easy only. 13 chapters. Total calculation, calculus total 5 chapters calculus. Calculus 5 chapters. More weightage. Differentiation, applications of derivatives, and integration, applications of integration and differential equation. 5 chapters calculus. Then vectors and 3D. Then matrices and determinants. Then relations and functions already you know. Correct. ITF, inverse trigonometric functions. Then probability. That's it. Oh, then once again you call. Then I will send. Homework. Tell. Notes. Correct. More number of problems practicing. Correct. Then PDF I will send. Correct. Okay. Okay, Manshu.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you. Bye.